T-Mobile Senior Plan Review. Today, we will discuss about its pros, cons, features, and pricing. Here is my honest opinion. What are the pros? Affordable unlimited data. Plans start at $30 per month per line for unlimited talk, text, and 5G data, making T-Mobile one of the most cost-effective options among major providers. Nationwide coverage. T-Mobile's plans are available in all 50 states, providing reliable service even in rural areas where other providers may not reach. No long-term contracts. The unlimited 55-plus plans require no annual contracts, allowing customers flexibility without worrying about long-term commitments. International coverage. T-Mobile plans include unlimited texting and data in Mexico and Canada, catering to travelers. Advanced features. The plans offer features like mobile hotspot usage and access to in-flight Wi-Fi, which are typically not available with other budget carriers. What are the cons? Multiple lines required for best pricing. To access the lowest price of $30 per month, 2 lines are needed. For a single line, the price rises to $40 per month. Additional fees. Although advertised prices are low, there are hidden fees, such as a $35 device connection charge and other regulatory fees that can add approximately $3.49 per month. Limited streaming quality on lower plans. The essentials. 55 plan offers standard definition streaming, which may not meet the expectations of heavy streaming users. Let's talk about features. Unlimited talk, text, and data. All plans include unlimited usage, with throttling after 50 gigabytes of high-speed data. Scam blocking protection, built-in features to reduce robocalls and scams. Service abroad. Various levels of service in Mexico and Canada, with different data limits depending on the plan. Streaming quality. Essentials. 55 and Go 5G plans offer standard definition, while Go 5G Plus supports high-definition streaming. Netflix. Subscription. The Go 5G and Go 5G Plus plans include a Netflix subscription, enhancing entertainment options. Let's talk about pricing. Essentials 55. Cost $30 per month with 2 lines. Streaming quality. Standard definition. Mobile hotspot. Data. 3G. Service in Mexico and Canada. 2G data. Go 5G 55. Cost $50 per month with 2 lines. Streaming quality. Standard definition. Mobile hotspot data. 5 gigabytes of 4G LTE. Service in Mexico and Canada. 5 gigabytes of 4G data. Go 5G plus 55. Cost $60 per month with 2 lines. Streaming quality. High definition. Mobile hotspot data. 40 gigabytes of 4G LTE. Service in Mexico and Canada. 5 gigabytes of 4G data. As a friend, I suggest considering the Essentials 55 plan if you're looking for an affordable option that still provides unlimited talk, text, and data. At $30 per month for 2 lines, it's an excellent choice for staying connected without breaking the bank. Plus, with T-Mobile's extensive coverage, you can enjoy reliable service wherever you go.